I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PayPal Sandbox. First, access the PayPal developer dashboard by visiting developer.paypal.com. You'll need to log in using your regular PayPal account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Sandbox section in the navigation menu, typically found under Testing Tools or Accounts. This is your gateway to creating a simulated environment for development and testing. Next, you'll create test accounts. You'll need at least two, one personal account to act as a buyer and one business account to simulate a seller. Assign unique, fictitious email addresses and strong passwords for each. Remember to fund your buyer account with a simulated balance, perhaps several $1,000s, to ensure you can test various transaction amounts without limitations. This setup mirrors real-world scenarios. Now, let's simulate transactions. Log into your application using the buyer test account and initiate a payment. Then, log into the seller test account to verify the transaction details, ensuring the payment was received correctly. Experiment with various payment flows, including one-time purchases, recurring subscriptions, and refunds. This helps confirm your integration handles diverse scenarios, providing a robust testing experience for your application. Finally, explore advanced testing and best practices. Deliberately test edge cases, such as transactions with insufficient funds or declined payments, to ensure your error handling is robust. Leverage the Instant Payment Notification, or IPN, simulator to test asynchronous notifications. For optimal results, regularly clear your sandbox data, perhaps once every few weeks, to ensure each testing cycle starts with a clean slate, preventing unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.